biggest game, the championship. In NASCAR, they've got the biggest race right at the get-go. Hi, everybody. I'm Mark Darrow at Daytona with Doug Rice, getting ready for the big one, the Daytona 500.
It's the great American race, and it's produced great finishes. 1976, Petty Pearson. 1979, Allison and Yarborough crash. Petty wins. 2007, Kevin Harvick just edges out Mark Martin.
A sellout crowd completely ringing this 2.5-mile speedway. The pace car speeds on to pit road. The green flag is waving in the Super Bowl of stock car racing.
Okay, coming to the green, Joey. All right. Nice and easy. Just keep doing what you've been doing. You're looking good right here. Let's play shot around him right now. Got a car low. There you go, you see him. That's our next victim. High side. Car down low. Got one more to the top. Right clear. Locked and loaded, buddy. Slingshot pass. Man, you're making it look easy from up here. Clear left side. Car outside. Alright, we're gonna get these boys. 3 to go. Outside. Clear right. Low side. Left side's all clear, bud. Car up high. Clear on the right. One up top. Come on, buddy. Now play shot around. Still outside. You're catching. We're going to get these boys. All clear. Lights all clear, bud. Still up high. Oh, man. Hold right there if you want to grab. Still inside. Okay, let's keep pacing. He's no faster than you are. On inside. Inside. Nice. Put on the left. On the left. Give me one more good one. All right, you got the momentum. It's time to pass. One outside. You are the man. You know that? Clear right side. You'll go with it if you want to make a move. Still outside. The lead change. Right side clear. Still down low. Okay, come on, buddy. Focus. Let's get that back. Hey, you want to let me know what you're doing?